three identically charged small spheres, each of mass m, are suspended from a common point by insulating light strings, each of length L. The spheres are always on vertices of an equilateral triangle of length of the side x very much less than L. Calculate the rate dq by dt with which charge on each sphere increases if length of the sides of the equilateral triangle increases slowly according to the law dx by dt equal to a by root x. Now to solve this, we have to observe that the centroid of the equilateral triangle lies vertically below the point of suspension. If T is the tension in the string and theta is the angle made by the string with the vertical, we have T cos theta equal to mv, T sin theta equal to root 3f. If we consider the equilateral triangle, T sin theta is along this. This is f. This is f. This is the resultant. Resultant makes equal angle 30, 30. So f dash is 2f cos 30, which is root 3f. F is the force of repulsion between each charge. So dividing second equation by first equation, you obtain tan theta equal to root 3f by mg. Now theta is very small since x is very much less than f. So tan theta can be replaced by sin theta. Sin theta is x by root 3 by L. F is equal to mgx by 3L. Now, F equal to q square by 4 pi epsilon naught x square equal to mg by 3L into x into x. So after transposing, q square equal to 4 pi epsilon naught mg by 3L into x cubed. So q is equal to under root 4 pi epsilon naught mg by 3L x to the power 3 by 3. Rate of increase of charge dq by dt, dx by dt, slowly increase of side, rate at which side increases. So dq by dt equal to root 4 pi epsilon naught mv by 3l into 3 by 2 x to the power half into dx by dt, which is given by a by root x. So root x cancels out, 2 cancels out, so we have root 3 pi epsilon naught